The burglar's crew never texts. They pass paper notes, written in numbers. 1 is A, 2 is B, all the way up to 26 for Z. Tonight's note says 2, 2, 6. Here's the catch. You read a note left to right, grabbing one digit or two at a time. Grab a 2 alone, that's B. Grab 22 together, that's V. Same numbers, different grabs, different message. So how many ways can 226 be read? Let's list them. 2, 2, 6, B, B, F22, 6, V, F2, 26, B, Z. 3 readings, easy enough, for 3 digits. But real notes run long, and every extra digit can double the ways to split them. A 10-digit note? Dozens of readings. 50 digits? Forget it. Listing by hand never finishes. The trick: count without listing. Walk the note left to right, and at every digit ask one question: how many readings reach this spot? Grab one digit, and you carry the count from the previous spot. Grab 2, and you carry the count from 2 spots back, but only if that 2-digit chunk is a real letter. 10 through 26. 27? Not a letter. 06? Nope. Start. First digit, 2, that's B, and that's the only grab. 1 reading so far. Second digit. Grab the 2 alone, B again, carrying the 1 reading. Or grab 22 as a single letter, V, one more way, straight from the start. 2 readings. Last digit. Grab the 6 alone, F, and both readings carry through. Or grab 26, Z, carrying the 1 from 2 spots back. 2 plus 1, 3 readings. And there they are, B, B, F, V, F, B, Z. 3 readings, exactly what the counter said, and we never listed a thing until the very end. The recipe: walk the note left to right. At every digit, carry the previous count, and add the count from 2 spots back whenever the 2-digit chunk lands between 10 and 26. The last counter is the answer. Want this as real code, including the sneaky zeros that break notes? The full Decode Ways video is linked. Same crew, new cipher.